Welcome to the Port Hedland Site Operations work instruction for replacing a cmos battery. For this task you will need the following PPE: safety glasses and gloves. You will also need the following tools: a screwdriver and a cmos battery. Start by powering off the workstation by holding down the button. Isolate the power from the source. Remove the power cable from the back of the workstation. Test for dead by pressing the power button to see if the machine would turn back on. Remove the lid by undoing the screw and taking the lid off. Remove the front faceplate by undoing the clips and pulling it off. Remove the chassis by pulling the handle up and lifting and placing to the side. Remove the fan clip by unclipping and lifting upwards. Unplug the fan from the main board. Lift the fan upwards and remove the battery. Once removed, you can replace battery. Repeat the process in reverse by putting the fan back down and plugging the power back into the main board. Once completed, you can now replace the chassis back onto the workstation and return the faceplate by clipping it back into its position into the front of the workstation. You can now go ahead and replace the lid and click it back in position. You can now plug the power back in. You can now turn the power back on at the power point. This now concludes the work instruction. If you have any questions regarding work instructions, please remember to speak to your supervisor.